Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best removable motorcycle wheel chocks for trailers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a touring enthusiast or just someone who needs a reliable way to transport your bike, these products have got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive in and find the best option for your needs. Starting off at number 5, we have the WOWTK 6.5-inch removable dirt bike wheel chock. This product is a versatile option designed to accommodate a wide range of motorcycles, from dirt bikes and dual sport bikes to cruisers and adventure bikes. It features a quick-release system with included mounting hardware, making installation and removal a breeze. The chock is built from thick-wall steel tubing and comes finished in a sleek black coating for added durability and aesthetics. Performance-wise, the WOWTK chock does a good job of holding bike tires up to 6.5 inches wide. However, it does require tie-down straps for full security, which might be a slight inconvenience compared to some more advanced options on our list. The pack of 2 is a nice touch if you need to secure multiple bikes, but it does add to the overall weight, with each chock weighing close to 9 pounds. In terms of value, the WOWTK chock is a solid choice for those who want a straightforward and durable option. However, it lacks some of the innovative features found in higher-ranked products, such as built-in tie-down systems or universal adaptability. Pros include its sturdy construction and ease of use, while cons include the need for additional straps and a slightly heavier build. Overall, it's a good option for budget-conscious buyers who need reliable but basic functionality. At number 4, we have the GRAND PITSTOP Universal Wheel Chock, a highly versatile option designed for use in trailers, garages, or even your home. What sets this chock apart is its universal compatibility, thanks to 3 interchangeable front tire support attachments that work for cruiser bikes, sport bikes, and dirt bikes. It also supports tire sizes ranging from 13 to 26 inches, making it one of the most adaptable products on our list. The design of the GRAND PITSTOP chock is impressive, with a foldable and detachable structure that makes it easy to store when not in use. However, this versatility comes at a cost: its weight. At 26.4 pounds, this is the heaviest option on our list, which might be a concern if portability is a priority for you. The locking mechanism is reliable, providing a secure, upright hold for your motorcycle with minimal effort. This chock is ideal for buyers who prioritize versatility and compatibility over lightweight design. It's perfect for those with multiple bikes or varying tire sizes. On the downside, the bulky build and higher weight might not suit everyone. Pros include its universal fit and easy loading process, while cons include its hefty weight and higher complexity during setup compared to simpler chocks. If you value adaptability, the GRAND PITSTOP wheel chock is a great choice. Coming in at number 3 is the Pit Posse 11-017 Chrome Motorcycle Removable Wheel Chock. This chock is designed for simplicity and reliability, offering a universal fit for tires up to 6.5 inches wide. The chrome finish not only looks great, but also adds a layer of protection against rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term durability. One of the standout features of this chock is its removable mounting points, which make it easy to switch between securing your motorcycle and using your trailer for other loads. Weighing just 4.9 pounds, this is also one of the lightest options on our list, which makes it a breeze to handle during installation and removal. It has a load capacity of 300 pounds, which is more than sufficient for most street and dirt bikes. The Pit Posse 11-017 is an excellent choice for those who want a no-frills, high-quality chock that gets the job done. Its lightweight design and removable mounting points are major advantages, but it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-ranked options. Pros include its durable chrome finish and ease of use, while cons include its relatively basic functionality. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable wheel chock, this one is worth considering. Taking the second spot on our list is the Pit Posse 11017 BK Universal Removable Wheel Chock. This product is a close cousin to the Pit Posse 11017, but comes with a sleek black powder-coated finish. Made from 7/8 inch steel tubing, It offers exceptional durability while maintaining a lightweight design at just 4.84 pounds. The 11017 BK is designed for universal compatibility, fitting tires up to 6.5 inches wide. Like its chrome counterpart, it features removable mounting points for easy trailer versatility. The inclusion of mounting hardware and a 5-year manufacturer's warranty adds extra value, making this a reliable long-term investment for motorcycle enthusiasts. This Chock is perfect for riders who want a balance of durability, functionality, and aesthetics. A black powder coating not only looks great, but also provides extra resistance against wear and tear. Pros include its lightweight design, universal fit, and robust warranty, while cons are limited to its basic feature set. If you prefer a more modern look without sacrificing performance, the Pit Posse 11017 BK is a fantastic choice. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lock and Load BK100 Deluxe Motorcycle Wheel Chock. This premium option stands out for its innovative features and robust build quality. The one-size-fits-all design ensures compatibility with a wide range of motorcycles, while the quick disconnect mounting plate makes it incredibly easy to install and remove. What truly sets the Lock and Load BK100 apart is its built-in front tire tie-down system, which adds an extra layer of security during transportation. The solid steel construction ensures maximum durability, and at 27 pounds, it's a heavy-duty option that inspires confidence. The bright orange and black finish not only looks stylish, but also adds visibility, making it easier to locate in a cluttered trailer or garage. This Chock is perfect for riders who want the best of the best. It's ideal for long hauls, thanks to its secure tie-down system and sturdy build. Pros include its advanced features, durable design, and universal fit, while cons are limited to its higher weight and price. If you're looking for a top-tier wheel chock that offers unmatched reliability and performance, the Lock and Load BK100 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you're still unsure, check out the product links in the description for more details. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.